we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand of chocolate from Switzerland. Brand of Swiss chocolate. We'll be looking at how to say more brand names that I'm sure many of you struggle with. So stay tuned. We'll be looking at those as well. So let's have a look at how you say this. Laderach is how you say it in German. Let's break it down. Le, the, rach. So the ch at the end in German has this very specific h sound, very guttural from your throat. If you cannot pronounce this, you can replace it with an h. Laderach, Laderach. You could say it also Laderach, or for a more characteristic, correct German pronunciation, Laderach chocolate. Laderach is how you pronounce it. Delicious. Like this video, support by liking it, or let me know in the comments, and more videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.